Okay, welcome back to another video, and as promised I was gonna look at this a bit more in depth with you and want to show you what I had cleaned to get it working, to fix the central locking. So you've got a few tabs here, one there and two underneath, so four in all. Just got to be really careful while you lift it up, pry it away, and while you're doing that you have to try and wedge the other side up ready, and there you go, comes undone. And that reveals the circuit board. Now, I think these are all relays, I think. Now, I would have thought it was going to be one of these that I had to smack to get it working, but actually it was this. Now, the problem is, I don't know what lives under there. And for me to see that, I'm going to have to break the soldier. And I don't want to do that. So I kind of cleaned around there with some electrical cleaner and sprayed some GT 85, not 86, some of this stuff into that little gap there, and some electrical cleaner after it, and just swirled it around. Basically filled it up and let it swirl around for a bit. And that's all I did. So I don't know. So apparently that's the I think that's like the RF unit under there, radio frequency unit. So to be honest, I can't really say what's in there, and I don't want to disturb it now it's working. It's got to be some kind of switch or something that was stuck and now it's loose, perhaps. But yeah, this was definitely the area where I was hitting it with the screwdriver, and that made it all work. So it's worth a try, just taking it off, undoing it, and just get some cleaner in there, and let it sit for a few minutes, and then put it back together and give it a whirl. But ever since I've done that, it's been working absolutely fine. So the problem has actually been resolved. Absolute bizarre one. Whatever's in there was probably stuck or corroded or don't know. No idea. So I think we will leave it be. And basically that's it. Just a very short video. I just wanted to show you where I actually sprayed to fix this issue, so anyone else out there can try the same if they're having problems. And that's it for this video, a very short one, and I'll put more up as we go along. Cheers, goodbye.